Hey guys, Josh here with Ronin Factory, and today we're going to show you a product that's going to make your life a whole lot easier and give your truck an updated feel. Introducing our 2015 and newer Ford Truck Tailgate Assist. As you may know, tailgate assists are factory options on newer model trucks, but if yours did not come with this add-on, you can now do it yourself for a fraction of the price. Let's get into it, and I'll show you how simple the installation can be. First, you'll need a few simple tools: a 10mm wrench, a 5mm Allen wrench, and a 10mm socket with ratchet. Use the 10mm wrench to loosen both bolts on the driver's side of the tailgate as shown. Remove the upper bolt completely and only unscrew the lower bolt partially. Next, install the lower bracket as shown. Tighten the Allen bolt with the 5mm Allen wrench and tighten the original lower bolt. Next, you will remove the cable from the upper attachment point as shown and set it aside. Use the included Torx drive with the 10mm socket and ratchet to remove the upper bolt. Install the upper bracket behind the Torx bolt and washer and reinstall the Torx bolt. Next, you want to reattach the cable to the upper mount. On the side of the tailgate, apply the clear adhesive film to protect the painted surface. Make sure the surface is clean and dry and free from any oils. Place the film near the center with about a 1/4 inch extending over the top corner. Next, grab the strut and connect it to the lower bracket first. Make sure to connect it to the end of the strut that extends, not the strut body. Carefully pull up the strut body to extend it so you can attach it to the upper bracket. If it is too difficult to extend all the way, you can lift up on the tailgate to make the connection. That's it guys, a quick and simple upgrade for your vehicle. An installation should only take you about 10 minutes. Once it's on, you'll wonder how you went so long without it. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.